Desay Maru Jhyā, the only window of its kind in the country. Desay Maru Jhyā is an artistic window in Yatka, town of Kathmandu. Desay Maru Jhyā is Nepali word meaning the only window of its kind in the country in Nepali language. Indeed, windows like this house is not found anywhere in the country. As artistic and attractive as this window of an ordinary house is, it is more mysterious. Now, this old Nepali style house is made of concrete, but its charming window has not changed. Desay Maru Jhyā cannot be opened. Similar, non-opening windows are often placed on the ground floor of Nepali style houses. It is called Tiki Jhyā. This traditional window is a great example of Nepal art and expertise in wood carving. Is believed to have been built between the 12th and 18th century during the Malla dynasty. In Nepal Bhasha, the style and architecture of this window is known as Tiki Jhyā, meaning a window with small dots. One can peek outside from the inside of the house through the small dots carved on the window and see everything. However, the person standing outside would not be able to see anything inside through those dots. This style of window became much popular during the Rana reign, one of the curious era in the history of Nepal. These royals were much known for going through the towns and pick the beautiful girls who they see peeking out through the windows from their houses. The locals certainly couldn't fight with the royals, thus they start replacing normal windows in their houses with Tiki Jhyā in order to protect their daughters and sisters from these royals. Today, it could cost quite a lot for one to make and install this kind of Tiki Jhyā. Generally, the form of such windows is plain. The wood has small uniform size holes that make it difficult to see the interior from the outside. From the inside, the view from the outside can be easily seen. Many people don't know about Desay Maru Jhyā, which is made from a single piece of wood. Although the traditional windows of the valley look almost the same, Desay Maru Jhyā is slightly different. The front square of the window is the widest, while the last 10 squares are gradually getting smaller. There is a small dotted window between the artistic squares. The outside world can be seen through this small window, although the structure of the old Nepali style house has been rebuilt. But fortunately, the wonderful, beautiful and charming window in it has not changed. The window is a vivid example of the indigenous people of the country, the architecture of the neighbors, the civilization and the original culture of Nepal to foreign and domestic tourists. Because it is attractive and new to everyone who sees it, the name of the window is Desay Maru Jhyā. This window is as artistic and attractive as it is mysterious. 11 shapes are connected to each other and Tiki Jhyā is placed inside. It is not known for sure when this window was made, but it is also said that when Mahendra Malla built the temple of Taliji Bhavani at Hanuman Dhoka in 1621 BS, one of the workers made this window in his house from the same wood. The house with the Desay Maru Jhyā does not belong to any palace or special person and is a simple house. It seems that some laborer has made with its lot of effort from small pieces of wood. During the Rana period, the number of each house was given the specific number at the time of the population counting, and the number drawn on this window shows that this house was also numbered. There is a wooden plate in the window which reads Yet door number 79, that is house number 79 of Yatka. This is the house number calculation done during Rana period. Thank you.